5 Instagram do's and don'ts. Use 3 to 8 hashtags. Get specific with your hashtags. Hashtags help the algorithm to categorize your content. Do not use 30 hashtags. Instagram has confirmed less hashtags work better. Using too many hashtags confuses the algorithm. Be original. See what your audience is searching for and apply to your content. Do not focus on trends. Trends can be fun, but too many trends can ruin credibility. Add brand colors. Don't worry, you don't need a cohesive feed. Instead, add your brand colors where you can. Ignore branding. Every small business needs a brand strategy, logo, brand colors, etc. Ignoring these results in disconnect with your followers. Use multiple formats. Post a mix of reels, carousels, and single post different followers, like different followers. Do not post one format. Stop focusing on just reels or just photos. Such formatting can lead to unfollow or poor engagements. Do experiments. Experiment with different ideas by focusing on other industries. Do not post in the same routine. Stop posting the same type of content over and over. Save for later.